To view the recordings of the course, open academy.kgsup.com and log in with your registered mobile number or email ID. You will get the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, this feed tab will open. So you have to go to the courses tab. You will find all the courses which you are enrolled under. Just scroll down and come to recordings of the workshop. Click on continue. Tap on day 1, mindset strategy and lead generation system. Click over here to view the video. Video will start playing. Under the description tab, you will find the link of the tag mango to create your account for lead generation page. From the resources tab, download the PPT, download the image prompt, and download the landing page script to create your lead generation page. This is how you have to proceed, and I think I have clarified everything. View your course and complete the assignments. See you soon.